It's running. You see it? What is that? Is that a fox? There's two of them. It's dark. My camera really does not work well here, but you can see them. I was just up there. And the neighbors got the lawnmower going. I think they're foxes. One just ran off into the trees and this was still up on the walkway. Such a strange sound. Still see that guy. Right there. What is that sound? It's coming out again.